tēnei kaupapa te karanga o ngā Whānau Ora, o ngā rōpu o Whānau Ora, I roto te tainui tūwhare toa rohe, and it's acknowledging this rohe and the Whānau Ora providers who are working closely with our whānau and taking care of that business on our behalf. Te Tiratū are very much a shareholder and a partner in terms of Rangitāmiro, and there is significant commitment from Te Tiratū, which we have to uphold as the organisation. I think we have to think further and not what's behind us or in front of us. We acknowledge those things, but what's ahead for our mokopuna and what sort of life and design. We have an opportunity to design the future for our whānau, but more importantly our mokopuna and the mokopuna. So we're being bold and courageous around our vision. We will roll over the current contracts as they are without any changes.